Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M05. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge, then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and tap on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected. Sorry, misclick. Hit Got It and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!